Introducing the 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including power front seats, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, and more. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Volkswagen's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 112-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.